After a series of bullish weeks, bullish candles, finally we have seen gold delivering a red candle and a good red candle coming to the support at 2644. What does this mean? Can we expect a series of bearish candles from here? Can we expect a crash in gold prices? What are the signs that suggest it? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and to go green in the month of November. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. Everything we're going to see with the help of charts, indicators. We'll see the signs. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade profitably. Not only on the sell side, not only on expecting the crash, but also if it bounces back, where you should buy and what you should do. Everything we're going to see. This is a weekly review. I do share my monthly, I do share my daily reviews as well. And yes, twice a day, this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and a logical reasoning for every trade. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's talk about the signs which suggest that could be a possible crash coming. See, after a series of bullish candles, this is the reversal sign here. We have seen a shooting star, and post this I have seen a red candle coming in here. Now, it is not that it cannot reverse. If it trades beyond 2750, we should be turning bullish. But right now, the signs are not very much supportive of such a rise. If you look at the formation, it has breached this bullish channel after a long while. So this is the first one. The stochastic, which has stayed overbought for weeks, has finally dropped and it is now looking downwards. The potential here also is too much on the downside. And likewise with the MACD, look at the MACD here. It is at an extremely overbought zone, trying to converge, trying to cross over. See, these levels historically we have not seen in gold here. Now this is, see this extremely higher levels calls for it to converge, calls for it to drop a bit. Likewise with the RSI. So these are the few signs. Also on the month, look at this, the rally, the retracement stayed here for weeks, then another breakout rally, and now it has to move towards the bottom of this channel. Possibility exists, and now the bottom should be somewhere here in the months to come. Not necessarily it is going to happen this month, but also it is going to nullify if it breaks beyond 2800 any point of time in this month. You can say we are looking forward to 3000. So you have to keep both the views, but right now we are counting on the points that, or the signs that suggest that there is a potential crash coming in gold. Look at this, extremely overbought. What has happened? A good fall. Extremely overbought. What has happened? A good fall. And likewise now at this point, overbought and looking forward to a good fall. Likewise with the MACD on the monthly charts, extremely higher, and the RSI as well. Another few signs to add on to what we had seen on the weekly charts, and this also indicates that the potential drop in gold prices is going to be there in the near future. Now let's begin the detailed analysis here. First we'll start on the 4-hour charts and slowly we'll migrate towards the monthly charts, and towards the end I will give you the levels here. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at the formation: drop, consolidation, drop, retracement. Now post retracement we can see a bit of a struggle here from gold on the upside as well on the downside. Though the moving averages have crossed over, this is certainly a bearish sign. Second thing is it is delivering lower highs and trying to create a lower lows. Possibility that once it takes away 2650 2640 zone, we can look forward to a further down move which is going to take it towards 2620 2600, the first target zone, and then the lows are far below towards 2580 2550. But right now if you observe the movement, see there is a good reversal here and then a stronger rise retracement. I can see a good support coming in here at 2680. So specifically for the coming week, when you see it is staying above 2710 2720, you can expect a further rise. But ideally the support zone earlier is going to remain the primary resistance, that is 2730 2750 zone. Any movement beyond 2750 is a sign of reversal, and that will be the completion of this flag formation and a breakout here. So this is something you should watch out for. The stochastic has dropped. Look at the MACD hitting the lows here and now trying to recover. There is a potential for further up move from here, while the RSI is comfortable here. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. But the interesting thing about this retracement is previously we have seen gold taking the support from the 20 period. This time it has breached out of this channel, it has dropped towards 50 period, and now we can see it taking support from the 50 period and resistance from the 20 period. It has to come out of this zone either which ways in order to confirm a direction, because breaking below 2640 you can expect 2620, 2600 the next stoppage, and then in fact I'll be looking forward to 2570, 75 or 2550 levels as the next targets. See, once it starts to move in this direction, it is going to be sharp one, that is very clear. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, this time it has breached, so this time it may continue like this. Though the stock stick is at oversold zone and trying to recover here, this calls for a potential recovery. But look at the MACD trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Only worry point is the candle sizes have peaked. And see what has happened here, drop, retracement. So now after peaking, if it starts to converge, we may see another wave before it shows a complete reversal. The RSI has dropped as well. Now, on the weekly, look at the formation. Too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. Too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. And the wave has just begun. Only worry point is the support it is getting here. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to trade below 2640. 2620 zone, and then we can expect a further down move. Look at the 20 period where it is sitting, 2550, 2540 zone, and there is potential for gold to move towards this zone before reversing. Even if it is bullish, it can try to attempt to hit this zone before reversing. So now point is, till the time it stays below 2750, the first resistance, or rather I will say 2730, 2750, the first resistance zone. Second one is at 2785.90, and then 2800. As long as gold respects 2800, we should not be treating this for a complete reversal. Potential exists that hitting a double top, that is the previous highs, we can still expect a reversal. But once it trades beyond 2800, 2804, we can expect that it is going to trade higher, and then we will turn bullish here. So you have to keep an eye on the levels here. Very, very important. First and foremost is the 27, 30, 50 zone, which I think it is going to be difficult for gold to break past. And right now, all the signs, as I said, is supportive of further bearishness, where it can come down to take the support here from the 20 period average. Likewise, the stock sticker on the weekly charts is looking downwards after staying overbought for weeks. See, anything which stays overbought calls for it to pull back very, very soon, and that is what is happening here as well. And the same thing is with MACD. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Hopefully, we may expect it to cross over, and this crossover will signal a reversal in the gold prices for the near future. RSI overbought, trying to cool down here. Coming to the monthly. Now, on the monthly charts, another interesting point here is, see, the higher lows are still delivered and higher highs are seen. It is to break below the preceding month's low at 2600. As long as it respects 2600, we have to be cautious. So as I said, first support levels at around 2640, then 2620, and then 2600. These three levels gold needs to take, because once it draws below 2600, you can expect that we may see a greater corrective move, taking it towards 25, 50, 40, or in fact 2500 levels possible in the month of November itself. Trading with too much of divergence, delivering straight bullish candles calls for it to deliver a pullback from here. And see, the stochastic MACD and RSI here on the monthly charts is also extremely overbought. But my only worry point is what it is doing right now. It has just respected, just shied away from breaking below the lows from last month, and it is delivering higher lows. So it can, these are markets, we have to look at both the sides, and it can reverse completely. These are markets, again, you have to be watchful here. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the levels here. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is where you should buy. Ideally, you should wait for 27, 10, 12 zone to be taken in order to confirm further bullishness. But yes, you can buy here at 26, 91. Expect 26.96, 27.04, and then 2710. So till here it is just a retracement, because we are talking about a weekly forecast. This is just the levels applicable for the coming week. And when we talk about the higher levels, because once it breaks beyond this zone, there will be bullishness. The chances of prices hitting 2720, 2732, 2740 will increase, and then 2750 will come into picture. Now as long as it respects this zone between 2730 and 50, you have to be watchful, you have to be careful. Hitting some point of time towards this zone, we can expect that gold can reverse again, gold can crash again. This is going to be the first and foremost and very critical zone here for gold. While beyond this, we are looking forward to a good rise towards 2765, 2785, and then 2804. This time beyond this it will turn bullish. This is going to move towards 2820, 2850, chances for which, as far as the signs are concerned, appears to be less, but I am giving you these levels such that you can keep it in your plans. Once it reverses, once it breaks out, the bulls will be taking over. First this one, 2710, it needs to break, then 2730, and then 2753 key levels. And as and how it breaks these levels, the bullishness will increase and the momentum on the upside will certainly turn bullish. Beyond 2750, we can expect a greater correction, greater rise here, while I am skeptical for such a reversal. On the down, so breaking below 2678, 74 is where you can take a trade, where you can sell here. Expect it to move towards 2662, 64, and then we can expect a greater down move, where potentially I'll be looking forward to 2650, first support 2640, the strongest one, and any drop below 2640 is a good sign that we are looking forward to 2618 levels. This is going to be the next one, and this is going to be the third one, because below 2600, 2620, stay short for the month, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 2580, 2540, 50 levels very very soon. Right now I'll say, as long as it respects 2600, 2640 zone, that is a broader zone here, but I will not say that it is a sign of crash. Still, it can, you can say that it is a retracement, and the possibility of a reversal will be high. While on the upside, as I shared, 2740, 2730, 2750, so a broader range here. And thus, as long as gold fails to break either of these levels, either on the upside or on the downside, we should be careful with the trades here, though the signs are very much supportive of further drop. Still, you have to respect the levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates, which gives you a fair bit of idea on how to trade and how to trade profitably with greater confidence. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a happy weekend. Thank you.